Pass the word.
Hello there.
Hello.
Today we're going to make a new recipe. Peanut butter ramen noodles with chicken. So the main ingredients are super chunky Skippy peanut butter.
And some peanuts. And I'm going to use 2 packs of ramen. Top ramen. Beef flavor, but I'm going to take the beef flavor packet out of there. I usually don't use that anyway when I just make ramen.
Right, we're going to add our own seasoning and flavors on the sauce. So,
Is it going to be spicy?
A little spicy. Sriracha's in there. We're using some soy sauce. We're using some toasted sesame oil.
Start boiling these up, right?
Yep, and I have a plate of chicken that we got from a roasted chicken we had
2 days
the other
ago.
day. Yep. So we saved the white meat and the leftover parts that we want to use in this recipe. It adds up to about a cup of chicken meat, and I cut it up nice size, bite-sized chunks. So Rick's over here.
Woo!
He got the water boiling.
Should I put them both in that one pot?
Yeah, put them both in. And I'm going to start making the sauce over here. Okay, now the noodles only take 4 minutes to boil. So in the meantime, we'll quickly make this sauce. Oh, Rick. Look at that. Here. We'll do it this way. This is super chunky.
For me? Appetizer.
We'll just have a little appetizer here, right?
Crunchy.
Okay. We're going to measure roughly a half a cup. If the noodles are done, take them off the heat and put them in that nice glass bowl over there. And I'll get moving a little bit faster here to make this peanut butter sauce. Now, half a cup of peanut butter is a pretty significant amount. I'll put it in this bowl here. While the noodles are puffing up in the pan, add the chicken and it'll...
To the water, too?
Yeah, so we're going to keep the water for the sauce.
Pass the word. Remove from the heat.
And here's the nice chunky chicken.
Put the chunky chicken
to the bowl.
right in there, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Can you...
With the water.
Yep. It's going to be a quick way to heat up the chicken, and we're going to use all the water in there anyway. So lightly stir that around.
Is this my supper?
That's your supper.
What are you going to have? You think that's funny?
Okay, come on back over and we'll do the rest of the sauce.
Okay. Right back, noodles.
Okay, I'm going to use soy sauce here, and I'm going to use 6 tablespoons. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, next I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sriracha sauce.
Oh my gosh.
You can take it.
That's almost gone. We use a lot of that.
I know we need more.
That's good flavor though. I like that.
Echo, put sriracha sauce on the grocery list.
I've put sriracha sauce on grocery.
There we go.
Not too hot, Echo.
Alright. Alright, next we're going to add toasted sesame oil. Now usually I use this just to stir fry a little bit, but in this case we're going to add 2 tablespoons to get that sesame flavor in there. 1. This is going to taste good. 2. Now if you guys like to add salt and pepper here, you can. We're going to go with these spices here because there are a lot of flavors in that sriracha. Alright, now I'm going to use a whisk here to get this blended in nicely. going to top the dish off with the chopped up peanuts also. So it's going to be a crunchy one. Now look how nice that is. Oh, can you smell it, Rick?
Yep.
That's really good. Okay. Now just to prepare, I'm going to take a lemon. I'm going to cut a couple of wedges because we're going to squirt a little bit of lemon juice on that also. These lemons that I bought this week have a lot of seeds in them. These are Myers lemons, so they're not as sour as some of the other ones. I like to use these for just a little lemonade sometimes, or put in your water. But for this, I'm just going to have a couple wedges that we can squirt the lemon juice on. Okay. And I'm going to make sure this is opened up. It's a new container. Nice crunchy peanuts. And we're just going to use the lid to sprinkle them on. Alright, I'm going to bring the pan to the table here and we can put it together, alright?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Does it have 2 openings? Yeah. Like that opening better? Either way.
Yeah, I thought that would be good. We could pour it.
Time to eat.
Okay, so here's the ramen with the chicken nice and warm.
I made that.
And you can see there's still some water in here. We're going to use that water because it's going to spread out the sauce a little bit. So I'm going to transfer to a larger bowl.
Oh.
And we're going to pour in the peanut sauce. Now you can spice this up a little more if you like. If you like the Thai curry seasoning flavor, you can add that. That's a nice addition. And we'll spurtle this in, Rick. Oh, look at this.
I'm ready.
All right.
Can I melt cheese on mine?
Well,
If you want to, I could.
of course you can.
So we're going to sprinkle the nuts on our individual
Yeah,
bowls,
we're going to
maybe,
put
right?
this into individual bowls. You can adjust it if you want.
That's good.
Yeah, look at how creamy that sauce got. See, by adding the pasta water, it had some starch in it, and it made it nice and thick. All right. Let me get something to scoop this out.
Peanut butter soup. I'm ready.
You ready for a little taste? Okay. I'm going to use this fork thing to get this.
Maybe I should use my other camera too.
Yeah.
Let me take that one then.
Are you going to try it with a little lemon?
I don't know.
Let me put a little more peanut sauce on there. And a little extra chicken. Oh my
It's like
gosh.
peanut chicken.
It's peanut chicken. Homemade. Now,
Me.
I made a mess of your bowl.
Well, that was practice.
So let me get the other one going here. Just scoop out some of the noodles. Look at that. This doesn't look like regular old ramen noodles, does it?
May I?
Hey, how about a squirt of lemon?
Huh.
Would you like?
I don't know. Ooh.
Cheers.
Here it is. That was easy. Mmm.
Hey,
Oh, yeah.
we forgot to sprinkle a
Mmm.
little extra crunch.
Make that. It's easy.
And ramen noodles.
Ooh, I taste the sriracha in there. You can leave that out if you want. Chicken's good.
Yeah.
Or you could add more. Make it hotter if you like.
Mm-hmm.
This is good.
Mmm. Okay.
Chicken.
What's your sweatshirt? Wow, it is spicy. And you really taste the soy sauce.
Everything.
It's really good flavor.
Peanuts.
The peanut, great combination there. I think you should try this. Take one of those packets of ramen noodles that you have in the closet and dress it up.
And don't forget to pass the word.
Yep, pass the word. Thanks for watching.
Take care, everybody. We'll see you soon. Oh!